So this is how you can put stickers on the top of your photos on the iPhone. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course you can access stickers in places like the messages, right? So if you click on the plus, we have the stickers, but these are of course only for like the sending of messages. Of course you can also be in here and kind of like paste one sticker on the top of like another image in the messages, but this only applies to like this conversation, right? So if you want to just paste stickers on the top of like an existing photo, you have to open it up inside of your gallery, click on it, the edit, then tap the pencil tool at the top like this, and in the bottom right corner we have the ability to click on plus, because we are in this section where we can use the pencil tools to kind of like draw on it. But in the bottom right corner we have the plus button, and you can paste the stickers here too. And as you can notice, it's exactly the same stickers which we had inside of the messages. So we are working with the very same saved stickers, right? So you can browse them like this. You can also kind of like see more of them. So if you have some different apps and stuff, you can get different sticker apps on the App Store. That's fine. But you can also choose your own photos and turn them into the stickers. So you can browse your gallery like that, and you can as well just turn your pictures, you can see the outline there, and turn this into a sticker, which is likely going to be pasted on top of the image as such. So yeah, you should be able to find it. If not, just try to redo it again, but it usually works well. And that's how, yeah, you can click the plus, it's going to be added, and that's how you can paste it on the top of your image. So that's kind of how it works. You can add as many stickers as you want. You can duplicate them and as well add some of the other ones as such. And that's kind of how you can play around with the image. Make sure you can save it, and then you can end up with a new image with the effects added with the stickers on the top. So that's all. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you later in future uploads.